Mhlazimbili kuNhlolanja kulonyaka uAmanda White washayela ucingo esibhedlela ecela imoto ethwala iziguli. Umamncane wakhe Rachel Cloet wayeqinekile kakhulu ukugula. Emva kokulindiswa amahora acishe amathathu imoto yeziguli ingafiki, uAmanda wagcina eseyifunela enye indlela yokumisa esibhedlela.
I'm not happy about that thing because I think they are not looking at the old people and that the other people here in Calvinia, and every time we phone the ambulance, then the ambulance didn't come. So I'm very, very disappointed in that people.
Lesigameko asiqali ukwenzeka ngalomndeni.
We have a small child who has a brain tumor. Last time we called them, we wait more than 5 hours.
5 hours.
Because and then the police come afterwards. We must go to the police to the hospital with that child.
Umnyango wezempilo kulesifundazwe uthi ngenyanga uthola cishe ingcingo elinganiselwa ezinkulungwaneni eziyishumi ecela usizo lwalezi imoto, kanti bona bakwazi ukuphendula u85% walezi ingcingo.
Passing our condolences to the bereaved family. It is quite unfortunate to lose a family member or a loved one waiting for an ambulance. And we're hoping that we won't repeat that going forward. That's why last week during SOPA we launched out of the 49 ambulances we are waiting, we launched 19.
Lomndeni uthi usohlelweni lokuqasha abanye abashayeli balezi izimoto kanye nezisebenzi eziqeqeshelwe ukuhlenga impilo yabantu.